And so this is a 1/2 inch shank. Where you're doing details, it's always nicer to do the thicker shank instead of doing the 1/4 inch. The 1/4 inch might break on you, so always get 1/2 inch shanks for your router bits when you're doing the signs. Make sure you time really strong because they fly out and you might have an accident. Wear glasses.
Safety glass.
Safety glasses. So we're gonna show you the different profile right now. We're gonna connect the router. So this is the different profile that we did, second, and this is the first one that we did at the beginning. And this is just if you want to do, you could use it for countertops or we could do it for moldings, just different profiles.